frequency, the same length will get the same natural frequency.
Inspired from worksheet 4.1 in our textbook.
Math 2 akan react opposing direction of
Different height of the buildings. The first building is 50 cm. The second building is 40 cm.
Steady state vibration to chaos vibration.
Now, our friend has explained about tuned mass paper for a single.
This is from a skateboard bushing.
This is skateboard pushing.
So this is extra hard bushing, which is
We'll demonstrate about the loudness. Okay, correct. Because the loudness will change, but the frequency will remains the same. Ketuk slow, dia slow je kan. Tapi kalau buat cross section dia berbeza. The stiffness of the prongs pun akan berbeza.
Yeah.